What's up, YouTube? It's your boy T Hoop, and I'm back again with another video. Yeah, you're on the right channel. I know you asking yourself, what in the hell he doing with that iPhone? Because if you ain't new to my channel, you know probably about a year ago, my very first video was on the iPhone. And if you know anything about me, you know I'm a Samsung fanboy. I'm an Android fanboy. But I decided to take a leap over to the dark side again a year later. We're going to see if I can put down Android for 2 weeks. We're going to see if I can put down my Note 9 for 2 weeks.
He needs some milk.
And give Apple another chance. Now, I picked up the Apple iPhone XR. Now, I heard a lot of good things about it. Everybody talking about this was their top seller. They sold more of the XRs than they did, I guess, the XS or the XX Max or whatever you want to call them. They say they sold more of these than those other two combined. So, being the tech enthusiast, cell phone enthusiast that I am, I was intrigued. And although I hate Apple, I can't stand Apple. Sorry, you Apple haters, stand up, because I'm one of them. I decided to give it another chance. Open mind, new year, open mind. And then, you know my favorite color is red. Let me wipe this off a little bit. Now, I'm not going to go into the specs. This is just going to be a introduction video to let you guys know what I'm doing, the experiment I'm about to partake in. It's going to hurt. I'm telling you, it's going to hurt. But look at this. Now, one thing I can say about Samsung. Samsung, if you're listening, please, I'm begging you. You see this right here? You see this color? You see how beautiful this is? My favorite color is red. Please come out with a red Note 10 or S10 red. Can we please get some red in the game? iPhone, these other phone companies is knocking it out with all these nice colors and releasing them over here in the US. The black and the blue, and it's kind of old. This is absolutely beautiful. This is just beautiful. Now, I've been using the phone. I got it yesterday. I put my Note 9 down. Boy, it's hurting me. It's hurting me. But I put it down yesterday. I've been using this ever since. And I got to tell you that I'm impressed so far. I'm impressed so far. I'm not a fan of the iOS operating system, but this one right here is polished. It's polished. I like that. I know. I think I just threw up in my mouth a little bit. Hold on. Stand by.
A few moments later.
Anyway, we'll see. We'll see. Like I said, I'm going to use this for a good 2 weeks. Nothing but this. And I'm going to come back with my verdict. Now, I got some cases and stuff coming I'm going to review with it also. But this is going to be my daily driver. My main SIM card is in here right now. It's going to be my daily driver for 2 weeks. And we're going to see how they go. Anyway, it's your boy T Hoop. If you like this video, please hit that like button, comment. Let me know if you're an Android fanboy, and if you took the leap to try this out. Let me know what your experience is. And even you iPhone phone boys, you know, You got some tips, some pointers for me? Leave it down in the comment section below. Look at that red though. Just look at that though. The red is just. Let me wipe it down a little bit so you can. Oh my. The red is what got me. The red is what got me. It's just beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Nice build quality. I give him that. I like it. So far. We're not going to put the carriage before the horse. Not just yet. Hold on. Don't have a heart attack. Anywho, I'll be back in about 2 weeks and let y'all know how this little experiment, whatever you want to call it, went. I might not even make it 2 weeks, but I'll keep you posted. All right, y'all. Peace.